new world that we are living in, the new world because of coronavirus. About exactly 1 year ago, when coronavirus got its first case in Pakistan, nobody could have imagined that technology would be used in such a manner to connect the world together, to bring people together, and how technology would be used for doing almost everything. And I'm very glad to see that public sector universities have developed the infrastructure to use technology in this post-COVID scenario, wherein these interesting seminars, webinars are taking place where people from all over the world can participate. They can share their experiences and guide respective students as to how one is to survive in this post-COVID scenario. So let me start off by congratulating and appreciating the initiative of Karachi University, and in particular the Karachi University Business School, for starting this very fantastic initiative, and hopefully this can be replicated by other departments of Karachi University, by other respective universities which are functioning in our country. While appreciating the management, I would like to appreciate the students who are participating and our international experts who are participating in this webinar, contributing with regards to their wisdom, with regards to their expertise in explaining our students of Karachi University as to what this corporate sustainability is all about. Because in my view, sustainability has become the single most important issue which prevails in our country. We decide things, we conceive things, we announce things, but as a society, unfortunately, we are not able to sustain those things. And I think COVID has been an extremely important chapter of our society, where people have finally realized that what sustainability of decision making is. And hopefully, with young students being inculcated this principle of sustainability in these formative years would go a long way in developing their mindset, because these people will inshallah become business leaders of this country. And those business leaders, when they participate in their corporate decision making process, they would be able to ascertain what sustainability is. They would be able to decide issues based on the important aspect of sustainability. So I think it's a very important aspect that Karachi University management has taken up, and I hope that the students of the business school would be able to gain valuable experience while attending this seminar, this webinar, because COVID now has become a reality. It has become a part of our existence, and in this new world order, these technology-oriented initiatives, these webinars are going to be extremely important. And sustainability is going to be important because COVID is not going anywhere. It's been a year now, COVID is still here. We have all sorts of experiences being shared by people. So if we are to survive as a society now, we have to come up with ways and means of how those measures are going to be sustainable. And until the vaccine becomes available to every single Pakistani or every single human being in the world, the vaccine in the form of mask is extremely important. And I'm very happy to see that the SOPs are being followed in the University of Karachi, the Business School, in this webinar. So my compliments for this entire initiative that the university has taken, and let me assure you that the government of Sindh stands by all of these initiatives that our academia intends to take to deal with COVID situation or with regards to best interest of its students. And these interesting webinars show that there is financial space available with the University of Karachi, which is being spent in the best interest of the students. And I feel and I hope that such measures can be replicated by other public sector universities in the province as well, so that we can have more financial independence, more financial autonomy for the welfare and benefit of our students. Let me also take advantage of the presence of the Vice Chancellor of Karachi University and make two announcements in my personal capacity. I've always said that Karachi University holds a special place in my heart because my parents both are alumni of the Karachi University, and I only heard fantastic things about Karachi University as to what a beautiful place Karachi University was. Both of my parents are not present in the world right now, but in remembrance of my parents, I would like to announce 2 scholarships for students of Karachi University. Scholarship in the name of my father for a student of Karachi University of Business School. The entire fee of one student every year will be borne by myself in my personal capacity, and one female student of Department of Visual Studies, where my sister studied. So in remembrance of my mother, I would like to announce 1 scholarship for a female student at Department of Visual Studies to be decided by the university management after merit criteria. Whoever is eligible to have that scholarship, whoever is worthy of having that scholarship, it is my commitment in my personal capacity that the fee of those respective students will be borne by myself. Thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.